For more than 20 years, CP Automation has been developing, producing, supplying and maintaining industrial automation equipment. With our innovative and flexible automation platform, the CP series, we offer our clients a unique solution consisting of standard modules. Imagine a box of Legos. Each Lego brick would represent a module or component of the machine. Each brick is standard, but every realization is unique. The possibilities are limitless. The CP series changes the rules of the game by letting the client configure his own equipment using standardized automation modules and cells. When it is necessary to carry out several processes in series, the different cells can be interconnected to realize a production line. This new approach to automation is unique and allows us to differentiate ourselves in the markets. At CP Automation, we anticipate the future needs of Industry 4.0 by developing solutions that combine artificial intelligence, interconnectivity of machines and objects, predictive maintenance, and real-time process monitoring. The CP series concept allows our clients to benefit from attractive offers, optimized delivery times, and reliable equipment that evolves throughout the complete life cycle of their products.